Have you ever felt your heart racing for no reason, or your mind spinning when all you want is peace? I know what that feels like. You act fine around friends, keep smiling, but inside, there's a storm nobody else can see. That invisible struggle, that tension in your chest and the thoughts you can't switch off, it's called anxiety. But here's something people don't often say. Anxiety doesn't mean you're weak. In fact, living with it takes a strength few people ever notice. Your body's not broken. It's just working overtime to keep you safe, even if the danger isn't real. So, when your heart pounds and your mind imagines the worst, remember, that's your body trying to protect you. Most people don't realize anxiety hides behind the most convincing smiles. You overthink every word, worry you're not normal, and still, you get up and keep moving. That takes real courage. The truth? Anxiety means you feel deeply, care deeply, and notice things others might miss. The goal isn't to erase anxiety, but to make peace with it. Take a deep breath. Feel your feet on the ground. Write down your thoughts or talk to someone you trust. Little steps like these can start to calm the storm. Remember, anxiety doesn't define you. It's just a part of you, and you are so much stronger than it. What feels like your greatest weakness today might be building your patience, your empathy, and your strength. You are not broken. You're human. And even on your toughest days, you are still enough.